Wait a minute. Who are you? Wait a minute. Who are you? I am number one. No, I am number one. No, I am number one. Oh, hi. Uh-oh, Freddy's stuck. Freddy, what happened? I got stuck when I was doing a turn. I hope Thomas is okay. I'm okay. I don't even know. I'm lost for words. Why can't I go? I think we're all the same besides Freddy. Yeah, I agree. Me too. Where did you come from? Would you guys please be quiet? Nobody was even talking to you. Oh, hi, older brother. Hi, I am just taking Thomas to, we were just having a joyride. Okay. Wait a minute, Percy. Why am I 6? And then why are you 6? I don't know, but I got splashed with a lot of water. This is kind of awkward. I'm gonna leave. I believe this was all a misunderstanding. I'm sorry for doing that. I know, it was kind of embarrassing. Sorry about that. Bye.